Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is the part 4 of our 3 weeks road trip around Poland, where we check off 17 places from our bucket list. We started our stay in the capital with a visit in the Warsaw Uprising Museum. It's a unique place that helps visitors understand present-time Warsaw. This interactive museum commemorates the largest underground combat operation in German-occupied Europe during World War II. The 1944 Warsaw Uprising changed forever the face of the Polish capital. The multimedia exhibition reflects the atmosphere of the uprising, shows not only the military history of the 63 days of fighting and the everyday life of the civilian population, but also describes the post-war communist terror. Strolling along the granite pavement among the rubble of the destroyed capital, you will listen to the stories of the insurgents and see original exhibits from the uprising. You will understand how soldiers moving through the sewers felt, and you will see a bird's-eye view of the flattened city in the film City of Ruins. The main reason why this road trip happened was the Rammstein concert I was going to. So take a look at the best show in the entire world. Museum of Life Under Communism is one of the most unique places in Warsaw. A visit to the museum is like a short journey back in time, which evokes memories and shows the young generation how their grandparents and parents lived. Seeing the products and household items for ourselves allowed us to experience and understand our parents' stories about their lives in the times of the communism. After a visit to the museum, it is worth going to its cafe, where you can enjoy coffee from an espresso machine from the 1960s, as well as the iconic WZK cake. Warsaw's Old Town, inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List, impresses everyone with its narrow streets and colorful tenement houses that were reconstructed after World War II. During a walk through the Old Town, you cannot miss a visit to the Castle Square, on which the Royal Castle stands, where the Constitution of 3rd of May was adopted. The Royal Castle was the former seat of the Polish rulers, and nowadays it's the place where you can see paintings by the famous painters like Rembrandt or Bernard Belot. Łazienki Królewskie, also known as the summer residence of the King Stanisław August, is a perfect place for a walk regardless of the weather. This beautiful place is created by classicist monuments such as the Palace on the Isle, the Old Orangery with copies of the famous ancient sculptures, or historic gardens. The surrounding nature can take the breath away from many visitors. During the walk, it is worth looking around for the colorful inhabitants of the park who proudly walk its paths. Łazienki Królewskie is also a place of culture where concerts are held every year during the summer at the Chopin Monument. Copernicus Science Center is a real paradise for science enthusiasts, not only children. Here you can discover the secrets of nature, conduct experiments on your own, and have fun doing it. At the Future is Today Digital Brain exhibition, you will see innovations that will soon be in our homes, and you will learn what changes the near future will bring. You will see whether you can trust machines, love a robot, and how artificial intelligence thinks. Hundreds of exhibits in the experimental zone will help you understand phenomena related to waves and currents. You will find out how much your body can do, its sensitivity to light, color perception, and your vulnerability to illusions. My favorite exhibit was a cloud chamber, a particle detector used for visualizing the passage of ionizing radiation. Vistula Boulevard is the place where you can meet with the symbol of the city, a mermaid. The modern skyline of Warsaw can be seen from the bridges over the Vistula River, which divides the city in half. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. See you in the next one. Bye bye.